So I came from other exit, entered. Sorry, I have entered with from other entrance. So I see if I can take any other train, other line other than Marunouchi or Toei Shinjuku line. I have to go to. No, it is not suitable for me. No, and I'll check with this Fukutoshin line. No, no. So two lines are not suitable for me because I want to go to either Akihabara or Shibuya. Okay, I'll see Marunouchi line. Yeah, Marunouchi. I can. No, no, no. So I can take Marunouchi line. I can go back to Shinjuku. From there, I can take a Yamanote line to go to Ikebukuro or Akihabara. I'll see. I just missed this train. Just 5 seconds. So now I will wait for another train. Now another train is coming within a minute. So this is specialty of Tokyo Metro. Is #1 metro in the world. Ikebukuro. I will go to Ikebukuro. Oh, it's very busy. Train looks busy. Everyone, I think, going their home from office. So because this is central Tokyo. See how busy it is. See how busy it is. Some people are not interested to come on camera, but it's fine. I am not video recording them. I am just recording TV train. This is Marunouchi line. So I am going to Ikebukuro. So from Ikebukuro I take Yamanote line and I go to Shibuya, where my hostel is. So this is Marunouchi, 14 stop. This name is Kokai G2VA. So Ikebukuro is last stop, M25. So that means 11 stops, another 10 to 20 minutes. Ikebukuro last stop. So everyone will get off. So I will just go out and see Ikebukuro and then I take a Yamanote line. So everyone is getting off. So it is 7:30 PM almost. So people are tired, going home after working so hard. So this is Ikebukuro station. And what we are just exit and see. I am not able to find Yamanote line, but it might be there somewhere. My aim is to cover maximum metro stations, metro stops today. So that's why I'm just going in a far route, then shortcut. I think Mizuho is a bank, so we can see it everywhere. The ATM machines. Ikebukuro. From here, JR lines, Tobu line, Yurakucho line, Fukutoshin line, Seibu line. So there are several metro lines are there. So I just go out and come back. This is the east exit. See, it's colorful pillars. This is Ikebukuro. looking good with lot of space in the middle. So I can see JR Cantonal. So this is looking like again Shinjuku, Ginza, but Ginza is more skyscrapers, more tall buildings than Ikebukuro. So this is the exit which I came out. So there are also buses. Let me see if buses are shortcut, so I can also enjoy the view instead of traveling by subway, which goes underground always. So this is it is going only 2-3 stops. So this is Ikebukuro. Looking good. Nice. I've just boarded Yamanote line and going to Shibuya now. So I couldn't find it. So they have not mentioned anywhere. I had to came out of Ikebukuro station and enter into JR platforms. And I have met one Nepali guy. He has shown me this. So otherwise it is confusing. I don't know why they have confused it. So they didn't mention anywhere. After entering into the entrance only, we can see Yamanote line. This is my last metro train for today, Yamanote line going to Shibuya. So I will get down at Shibuya, go to Indian restaurant, have my dinner and then go to hostel. So that's it for today. Too many metro trains, too many stops, too many visits. Reaching down from my last metro train, Yamanote line. So at Shibuya. So if possible, I will reserve seats for tomorrow for Kodama line to Mount Fuji from Tokyo, because I have to go to Mount Fuji, and from there Mount Fuji to Nagoya, Nagoya to Osaka. So I will see if I can do that now. See the rush. It's almost like 8:30. Still people are going home. Didn't go home. Still they are going home now. So from here we can take Narita Express, which I came on first day into Tokyo. So different lines again. So restrooms, JR. So I have to go to JR and I have to book tickets. I have to give them schedule, otherwise they feel, Okay, bye Rajan, Guru Prasad ji. आपका नाम भूल गया, sorry. मेरा ज्ञानु खात्री. ज्ञानु खात्री. Okay, bye. See you later. Yeah, thank you very much. Food was nice. Yeah, I'm just saying bye to these people. So they are nice people. So in the Indian restaurant Shehansha. So I've just finished eating some onion veg pakora and samosa. It is very nice. So you can come here if you come to Shibuya. It is very reasonable price, because in the lunch it is only 900 yen. So it is naan, they give naan, curry, big portion and salad. So yesterday I had same thing in Kanazawa, it was 1200. So finally I have reached my hostel, Wise Old Hostels, Shibuya, around 9:21 p.m. So in the morning I have started around 8:30 a.m., 8:20 a.m. So now I have reached around 9:20 p.m. after taking dinner in Indian restaurant Shehansha. So this ends my day on April 1st. So April Fool's Day. So I have toured entire Tokyo city today by mostly metro, Tokyo Metro. So unfortunately I couldn't see anything from Tokyo Skytree. So the money was wasted. So yeah, see you tomorrow. So tomorrow I am going to Mount Fuji. So I have to get down at Shinfuji station. I have to take bullet train Shinkansen from Tokyo, Kodama train. It is Tokaido line. So then I have to get down at Shinfuji station. I have to go to Mount Fuji level 5. Then came back to Shinfuji station again and go to Nagoya, or I go directly to Osaka based on the time. So tomorrow night in Osaka.